Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First, I want to say thank you for letting us hit. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to say thank you for helping us hit 300 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, to us it is, so we definitely appreciate all your guys' subscriptions. So pretty much this video is just to do the 300 subscriber giveaway. Give a little bit of information on what's coming up, because we actually have a few things coming up. So let's start with this. Okay, now that we're back, I have a list right here. It's the best way to do it. Let's start with what we have coming up. So, the infamous stools right there. As you see, we finally got the color in. So we're gonna hit that hopefully here tomorrow. So we'll get those done and then we'll get a video out for that. My buddy did end up doing his rims. He finished those. So we have those. I think we're doing those on Wednesday. We ended up putting our blast pot. You guys saw the upgrade we did to a blast pot. We did get in the, right here. Right there. The El Diablo tap kit. So that's gonna end up going on the media cabinet to hook our blast pot to. The owner of this company is friggin' awesome. You give him a call, tell him you want it custom, and he will work with you on adding things, taking things away, readjusting things for him to work with you. He did that with my kit that went on to my initial blast pot, and then he did it with this too. So shout out to Apparel Blasters. They're awesome people to deal with. Okay, so before we get to drawing, we actually started a online store with apparel. Links will be down below. Not only do we do our apparel, we can do other people's apparel. If somebody has a small company where usually you have to get like 6 shirts, or if you get under 6, the company we dealt with, it was $38 a shirt, or if you bought over 6, it was 28 or 30 or something like that. So we create the shirts for free, and then you can just buy them. We also create them not only for other companies like that, our smaller companies. If somebody has a wedding, anniversary, some kind of event, baby shower, they think a shirt would be funny, and they just want it created so they can buy one. We can do all that stuff, and we'll put it together for free. You just buy the shirt when it's done. And then you'll approve the shirt before you end up buying it. So it's a win-win for both. So we have that, and like I said, the links will be down below. Also, if you go on and, for example, one of our company shirts, we have it in like 4 styles, but if you go onto this website, they have infinite designs and shirts and everything. If you see something on there that you like, a women's shirt, a man's shirt, a tank top, whatever, and just let us know you want a certain design on that, we can do that. If you like a shirt that we have and you want the wording a little different to suit you, we can change that up and do a custom one for you. Again, free. It's win-win. Okay, so we did the drawing. We took everybody that's a subscriber since we started, and we came out with a name, Ryan Severino, 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 whatever. So Ryan, if you're watching this, please get a hold of us. We'll hold this for about 2 weeks. The last giveaway, sorry about that. I clicked the button in my pocket and screwed that up. So the last giveaway, no one ended up winning, or there was somebody that won, but they never contacted us. So we figure instead of holding it, we'll just do 2 weeks. If no one gets hold of us in 2 weeks, we'll just do another 2 weeks until somebody gets it. This giveaway is our mask. I think I put it up on our Facebook page. It's our mask, pen, couple company stickers. Our 400 giveaway, I think we're gonna do a t-shirt, company t-shirt, and our 500 giveaway, I think we're gonna do one of the nice premium sweatshirts. So along with a little bit of swag with it, like stickers and things like that. So just want to say that we definitely do appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys' support, you guys' following. It's cold as hell out here. Yeah, I'm dressed for the winter too. Yes, flip-flops. Everybody always mentions, hey, you shouldn't be wearing flip-flops out in the shop. Well, it's my shop. They're my flip-flops. I'll freaking wear them. Anyways, let's get back on track. So yeah, thank you for your support. And we will have another video coming right out here in a couple days with the stool. And I believe the grate, either the grate or the rims will be right after that. So, okay guys, thank you for support, and we'll see you on the next video.